was the concept. Basically, rewards. This I used to feel this problem like young learners when I used to teach, they would be happy with stars 1 day or 2 day, but the
Mm-hmm.
third day they were like, give us something new. Give it's just like regular things. So they would not feel as excited they would for a star the day one. So I really love the idea of redeeming the rewards, and that we can do in the classroom. This is I'm going to practice it, so it's going to keep that motivation, keep that energy level of the learners high throughout the year. And I'll try to redeem different types of reward at different times, so they are always in a thought that where what we are going to get this time we don't know. So that was really fun for me. And I normally do follow digital gamifications like ESL. There are very various ESL websites as well for
Right.
learners. They are, and personally, I feel why tell when you can teach. If you can show a mountain, it is much better. They are going to understand it by telling them that look, a mountain goes like this. So yeah, but the rewards and the types of like again redeeming these rewards and types of various rewards we can offer the young learners, that was really fun. And I'll surely incorporate many of these things in my teaching activities as